When you freak to the beat.
Check it out. Once more. Here we go. Battles the winner, cause I send them to hell when I begin them. Because I put it in them like a venom. Here we go again with the funk intro.
It's the next chapter. Where's all my heads at? Just slept at the fact that we crept back to set back to strike. The only dead rappers are pinned at the pace of no cred actors. Those haters, no, you don't fade us. You don't know shit, so you're on a need to know basis. For those gracious folk with no status, I made this boy for you know your own name is not a part of the bigger picture. Listen, it's the middle finger that you put up in a fixture. Life's a bitch and it'll hit ya. Fucking pimp women like I do words, I be living literature. Hip hop's a circus act, this is absurd but fact. One critic or cynic for every that learns to rap. One lyric gimmick for every with purpose that further rap culture around the earth and back. There's some diss when I'm up in your face. You're a man of your word, you got nothing to say. I got respect for the scene and love for the place where I bleed for my dreams and struggle for change. We still striving on, we still alive and strong. Right or wrong, I still kill for it right along. Inside for long, the real doing a right, a song question. You still feel the vibe I'm on.
That beautiful sound, I'm loving.
When you freak to the beat.
That beautiful sound, I'm loving. Mr. Suffolk.
Oi, Saf, you in there?
I had the whole crowd like, oh